Hey, first graders, I hope that you are doing amazing today. This will be our weekly review for this week, and so the day 16 review sheet will actually be due on Friday. Okay, so today what you're going to be doing is for addition, you're going to find the sum 8 plus 8 plus 2. Now think about a way that you can make 10 and then add the rest. All right, so that is for your addition. Verbs, it says circle the verb in each sentence. Verbs show actions, so things that you can do. Number 1 says, I kicked the ball over the fence. 2, my brother cut down the oak tree. Punctuation, you're going to add an end mark to each of the sentences. 1, what is your favorite color? Did you do your chores? Hurry up or we'll be late. I like vegetables. Then we have the shapes. Write the name of the shape. Now you need to count the sides. How many flat sides it have. And then come over here and take a look at these shapes and match them up. Make sure you write the name correctly. Plurals, make each word plural by adding s or es. So we have box. If we want boxes, we want more than one. What are we going to add? S or es. Ships, bushes. And then we're going to skip count. Finish the pattern. So you need to figure out what the pattern is and then write the next 4 numbers for each one. All right, guys, have a great week.